how to add a blog to your Wix Studio site. So if you don't have this blog option, what you can do is you can head over right here to your apps and go right here to your app market. So just wait for your app market to load. And once you have done that, you should be able to see in here a search bar or a search icon. So here's the search bar. Just click on it and then search in here for blog. So once you have searched in here for blog, you should be able to see some blog options or some blog results for this one. So just wait for the blog to load. And in here, we can see some search results for this one. What you can do is you can head over and click onto this Wix blog right here. And from in there, just make sure to install this Wix blog in order to add it to your site. I've already installed it, so it actually appears right here. And I have the option to create a new post or a new blog from there. So that's how you add a blog to your Wix Studio site. Hope we helped.